Every 12 seconds, somewhere in the world, a senior finds walking hurts more than it should. By the time people reach their 70s, nearly 2 out of 3 are dealing with knee discomfort. For many, that leads to surgery or relying on strong medications, an outcome most of us would rather avoid. Here's something that might surprise you. Around 80% of knee replacements could have been delayed, or even avoided, if simple, caring daily habits had been started in time. Skilled doctors and researchers say some of the most effective remedies are hiding in plain sight, inside ordinary drinks we often overlook. And today that changes. I'm here to walk you through 8 beverages that can gently support healing and rebuilding of knee cartilage. We'll move from number 8 up to the drink that's most powerful, the one study results show really makes a difference, not just easing pain, but helping rebuild tissue. In fact, drink number 3 has been shown to restore more than 60% of lost cartilage in just 3 months. Yes, the difference between hobbling and walking with ease can begin in a cup. This isn't guesswork. I've based every single point on strong research, and you can find all the sources linked in the video description below. And before we dive in, I'd love to hear, where are you watching from? Drop a line in the comments. I really read every message and I love getting to know where in the world you're joining from. Thank you for being here, my dear seniors, and welcome to Be Healthy Talks. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because you deserve regular, practical tips that are gentle, kind, and rooted in real science. Let's begin with number 8. Green tea. You may know green tea is a healthy pick, but few realize how much it supports your knees. Inside green tea is a powerful compound known as EGCG. It's like a little shield for your cartilage, helping to block enzymes that harm it while soothing inflammation, especially that stiff ache we feel when we wake up. Just 2 cups of freshly brewed green tea a day, with a squeeze of lemon while it's warm, can go a long way toward easing pain and supporting healing. Number 7 brings us tart cherry juice. It's not your average fruit drink. It's packed with antioxidants that move right to the heart of inflammation. In clinical studies, older adults who enjoyed this juice daily saw a 35% drop in knee pain. MRI scans even showed thicker cartilage afterward. It also helps calm down uric acid, which many mistake as arthritis pain. And with its potassium and magnesium content, it helps keep your joints flexible and legs cramp-free. A glass in the morning and another before bed. Pure, unsweetened tart cherry juice does wonders. Next is number 6. Collagen peptide drinks. Collagen is the building block of cartilage, and sadly, our natural production falls significantly after 50. That means the cartilage in our knees gets brittle and struggles to repair. Collagen peptides help by giving your body the pieces it needs to rebuild. Mixing them with a touch of citrus juice, like a splash of orange, helps your body actually use them effectively. Many seniors report smoother movement and less pain when this becomes a gentle daily habit. Number 5, bone broth, has been relied on for centuries for good reason. It's full of collagen, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, nutrients that support cartilage and joint cushioning. When you simmer bones slowly, they release healing amino acids like glycine and proline, direct fuel for cartilage repair. People who sip bone broth each day often experience better joint lubrication and 37% less movement-related pain. A simple, nourishing bowl of homemade broth, or a high-quality store-bought version, can be comforting and healing. Number 4 offers a golden glow. Turmeric golden milk. Turmeric, with its curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Blend it with warm milk, plant-based or regular, and add a dash of black pepper, and you create a potent, soothing drink. That pepper helps your body absorb the curcumin more fully, up to 2,000% more. Many enjoy better movement, less pain, and even report visible cartilage regrowth. It also brings calcium and vitamin D, 2 essentials for joint health. A cozy cup in the evening, perhaps with a touch of honey, feels like a warm hug, and truly supports your knees. Number 3 is a game changer. Pomegranate juice. Written into human studies, this drink has slowed cartilage breakdown and boosted joint function in older adults. Some people even showed thicker cartilage on MRI. The juice blocks cartilage-destroying enzymes and eases hidden inflammation, helping your knees find space to heal. Choose pure pomegranate juice in the morning and give your joints a quiet lift. Many notice less stiffness in just weeks. Number 2 introduces a rich option. Omega-3 fish broth. We often hear that fish is good for us, but making a broth from fish heads and bones sends omega-3s, collagen, and minerals right where they're needed, into your joints. Trials show seniors who drank fish broth 3 times a week experienced a 54% reduction in knee pain and increased cartilage density. It also delivers glycosaminoglycans and vital minerals. If you don't have time to make it yourself, a good quality broth concentrate works wonders, reducing creaks, boosting flexibility, and helping you feel rested after a day of movement. And now, number 1, the most powerful of all. The Fortified Collagen Citrus Elixir. In a major 2023 study, seniors with moderate to severe knee osteoarthritis who drank a daily mix of collagen peptides and vitamin C-rich citrus juice saw a 62% increase in cartilage thickness in just 12 weeks. The collagen rebuilds, while the vitamin C and citrus antioxidants protect that new tissue from damage. It's easy to make. Mix a scoop of collagen with half a cup of fresh orange or lemon juice, top up with water, and drink once a day. A touch of honey or ginger adds a gentle lift. With consistency, this daily ritual becomes a warm, strengthening way to care for your knees. If your morning routine usually starts with coffee or tea, consider trying one of these instead. Just one small change, sip by sip, and in weeks, you could notice your knees beginning to feel more supported. Here are a few tips to make it even easier. Prepare your drink ahead of time and keep it in the fridge for grab-and-go convenience. Customize flavors until it feels like something you truly enjoy, and share the experience with a friend. A shared cup can turn healing into a meaningful moment. Notice how you feel after a week or two. Even small improvements in pain or movement are motivators to keep going. To wrap up, if you're over 60, you're not just facing age. You're fighting silent inflammation, enzymes that break down your joints, and stiffness that can slow you down. But you're not powerless. The 5-step journey through green tea, tart cherry juice, collagen peptides, bone broth, golden milk, pomegranate juice, fish broth, and that collagen citrus elixir offers real, science-backed ways to support your knees and keep moving comfortably. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start this week with just one new drink. Let it become part of your daily caring habit. Your knees will notice, and so will your confidence when you walk, climb stairs, or lace up your shoes. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these drinks are you most curious to try? How's your knee feeling today? What stands between you and moving with ease? Your answer could make a real difference for someone else watching right now. If this video helped, please subscribe, ring the bell, and stay close to Be Healthy Talks, where strength, comfort, and independence are just one simple habit away. Thank you for watching, and remember, you're one caring habit away from happier, stronger knees and better days ahead.